Scientists have found that eating bananas with groundnuts is one of the healthiest and greatest potential food combos. Bananas are an excellent source of several different vitamins and minerals, including calcium, folate, potassium, and many others. When compared to other common nut options, the peanut stands out as a superior option due to its high levels of both fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. The health issues you can avoid by ingesting or eating bananas and groundnut regularly or frequently are briefly discussed below. 1. Obesity. Eating lots of peanut butter and bananas will help you shed pounds. Both bananas and groundnuts are rich in soluble fiber, which might make you feel full for longer after eating them. Because of this, you probably wouldn't feel as hungry as you usually would during the day. It's a great option for those trying to watch their calorie intake because it has so few of them. Just like with any other food, eating bananas with groundnuts in moderation is essential. 2. Constipation. Bananas and groundnuts, both of which are high in fiber, are often recommended for their ability to relieve or prevent constipation. Prebiotics, like those found in bananas, is believed to promote regular bowel motions and reduce the stress associated with defecation. 3. Hypertension. If you want to keep your heart healthy and your blood pressure in check, a diet rich in bananas and groundnuts is a great place to start. Bananas can further reduce blood pressure by providing potassium. Bananas' low potassium content is one reason they are effective at lowering blood pressure. 4. Elevated blood sugar. High-fiber foods like peanuts and bananas can help those with diabetes manage their blood sugar levels. They include fiber, which has been demonstrated to reduce blood sugar, making them useful for preventing hyperglycemia. The optimum results will be achieved by consistent use of this mixture. 5. Alzheimer's disease. Niacin, vitamin E, as well as other vital elements, are abundant in a diet rich in bananas and groundnuts. Regular consumption of either of these foods has been shown to reduce the chance of developing Alzheimer's disease.